In this program, we're going to learn about balance. What is balance? Balance means to make equal or level. Walking on a wire is all about balance. The trick is to keep the weight of your body steady and even. Another good word for balance is symmetry. When an object or pattern is divided and both halves look the same, that's symmetry. Faces are symmetrical. One side is just like the other. When there is balance or symmetry to something, it is stable and strong. Standing on two legs gives you stability because there is balance. It's more difficult to stand on one leg and remain stable. Balance keeps everything equal and stable. When an object does not have balance, it becomes uneven and unstable. Besides objects, forces have balance too. The balance of forces is what keeps objects, like this rock, at rest. Without forces being balanced around objects, objects would move. This ball is being held in place by the force of gravity. The force is balanced. However, if a greater force is exerted on the ball will move. All objects and forces in our universe have balance. Now that you better understand balance, think about this. Why is it important to build a house on level or even ground? Think about it.